Kartiki Purnami means very beautiful in these locations. Why water? This is waterfall, no? Then why water is coming here? What's the problem here? Oh, okay, that's the reason. Suppose if rain means automatically water will come. Oh, yes. Okay, ma, thank you so much for taking me video. Really great. I'm climbing up, so automatically I'm getting fatigue. But you were really great. Okay. Yeah, oh, only alone. Solitarily you went. Can I help? Okay, ma. Take care. I'm moving up. Definitely. One day, Ahabilam also I should be covered. Okay. Yeah, some kind of possibility is there here.
இல்லாமலாடும் பந்தமே கல்லாகி நிற்கும்